Hello, Zach or Brian. My name is Calvin Burkhart, and I work with Mr. and Mrs. Leads, a digital marketing agency. I happen to be doing some research in your area. I used to live out in Columbus, Ohio, and commute to work out to Beaver Creek all the time. So I'm familiar with your area, and I was doing some research. I came across you guys' website, and I figured you guys could use some help. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys 3 tips on how you guys can beat out your competition online. And I don't want to waste your time. I don't want to waste my time either, so I'll keep this video nice and short. But if by the end of this video you can tell that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help grow your business online, and that's something that you guys are interested in, please give me a call back and we can chat. Or if by the end of this video you'd like to just take the tips that I've given you and use them for yourself, that's fine too. So without further ado, I'd like to go over 3 things that you guys can start doing today to start beating out your competition online. So 3 things I'm going to cover is content, citations, and backlinks. The first thing I'm going to go over is content, and that's basically anything that you can see that's on your front page, including the images, what the images are saved as, and also what's behind the images are included in content. So the reason why this is important is you want to typically have enough content on your front page to be able to work in enough keywords or key phrases that people are going to be using to try and find you guys for your services. So typically Google likes to see about 1,500 words of content right on the front page, and I know that sounds a little wordy, but having that amount of content will really truly allow you guys to work in those keywords or key phrases so that you guys can ultimately be found more. So that's the first tip I want to go over with you is content. Citations is next, so that has a lot to do with this map section here. So the reason why this looks funny or different is because I'm using a tool, I'm using a search tool that allows me to search in your area, and then also from a different device. So I'm searching as if I was on an Android device to give me a good idea of like where you guys are at and what competition is doing. So the first things first, citation. What is it and how do you get them? So a citation is literally just your business's name, address, and phone number listed into different directories all throughout the web. Now you might be asking yourself, what's a directory and how do I get in those? So a directory would be something like Facebook or Yellow Pages or Yelp. Basically any of those websites that give businesses the opportunity to put their business information in there and list their services. So that way you're giving another avenue for people to find you and visit your website. So that's tip number 2. In order to beat out your competition here in the map, you want to make sure that you're listed in the same directories that they're in, but you don't want to just stop there. To truly dominate your competition, you want to make sure that you have what they have, and then you add a little bit more, so just more avenues for people to reach you. The third thing that I'm going to go over with you guys has to do with the organic section. So underneath the map section is what we consider organic. And in order to get in here or rank highly in there, you need something called backlinks. When you look at the internet, basically what you see is a bunch of websites that are linking back and forth to one another. That's essentially what a backlink is. So it's another website that has a link to your website saying that you guys offer landscaping services and other services that you offer. And doing so will provide Google basically a flag that says, hey, this website's referring them and they're saying that they do this, so that must be true. And so the more places that you're listed in online that say that you guys offer landscaping or lawn care services, the more it's going to help you rank in this organic section. Not all backlinks are created equal, so you want to make sure that you're getting backlinks from sources that are relevant to your industry. Maybe a vendor of one of the products that you use, for example, could be one. But looking at a tool I like to use, this is called Ahrefs. This will give me an idea of what's working for you guys and where you're at. So from this tool, I can see that you guys have 6 referring domains giving you 24 backlinks. And in return, you're getting found for 10 keywords, which is giving you 5 people on average each month visiting your website. If I go into the referring domains, I can see that it's in the chamber, top rated local, this is a directory, Yellow Pages, BBB, so these are all directories. Looking at your competition, you can see Nature's Own Landscapes. They have 9 referring domains, 22 backlinks, so they actually have less, but if you go in here, you can see the different types of links that they're getting. So they actually have some of the same links that you have, and then some that you do not. So You don't want to try to get into as many as your competition has, and then also try to go after the keywords that are going to be bringing you guys business. So like landscaping, Springfield, Ohio, competitions in second position, that's bringing them about 6 people each month just off of that one key term. As I said before, this information is not 100% accurate or up to date. Last time that this website checked this keyword against this website, September 7th, August 15th, August 30th. In order to truly get the most up-to-date information about where your keywords are and what you're being found for, you're going to get that directly from Google Analytics if you guys have that set up correctly. But that's it, guys. That's all I wanted to cover for you guys. Thanks for staying tuned and watching this video. Like I mentioned, if you guys would like to just take these tips and use them for yourself, be my guest. But if you can tell that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help grow your business, and that's something that you guys are interested in learning more about, please give me a call and we can chat. So thank you for taking the time once again, and you guys have a great day.